The National Airspace System, also known as the NAS, is the network of airspace, navigational services, and equipment that is used for all airspace operations. The purpose of the NAS is to ensure the safety of all aircraft within the system. Remember that key word, all, both manned and unmanned. If you can see the image to the bottom right, this is a typical day of the amount of air traffic coming in and out of the United States, flying in and out of the major airports. All of those blue icons that you see represent aircraft. That's a lot of air traffic. That's why it's important for us as remote pilots to know at all times what airspace we're operating in, so that way we can keep ourselves from posing a hazard to other traffic. With airspace, we deal with different categories. There's regulatory and non-regulatory. Those are the two. Regulatory simply means that it's regulated by some form of a controlling agency. Typically, that's air traffic control, also known as ATC. Non-regulatory simply means that it's not regulated. It's not necessarily regulated by a controlling agency like ATC. Within these two categories, we deal with different types. We deal with uncontrolled, controlled, special use, and then other. And as we go through these different types, you will notice that there are different classes of airspace, which shows and means that there are different rules for each type of airspace that we deal with. In the next video, we will take a look at uncontrolled airspace and what uncontrolled actually means for us as remote pilots.